In this video, I'm going to show you two simple ways on how you can check your PC graphics card. Now, let's dive in. Firstly, what we need to do is to click on this Start menu. Then you click on Settings. Then we go over to System and open your System tab. Then we click on Display at the right or at the left panel of the screen. Then we scroll down to Advanced Display Settings and we click on it. When the Advanced Display Settings opens, we scroll down and look for this Display Adapter Properties for Display 1. We click on it. Then here to show us our system graphics. For my system, I'm using the Intel UHD Graphics 620. Here you see the chip type, the DAC type, the adapter string, and the BIOS information. You also see the total graphics memory, dedicated memory, and the rest of them. So that's it for this first step. And the second step, all we need to do is go to the search bar and search for device manager. So when it shows you the device manager control panel, you open it. Then when it opens, you go over to display adapters. You look for display adapters and toggle it. Then you see your graphics card, your PC graphics, which is the Intel UHD graphics for my PC. So if you're using a gaming PC, you also see maybe the Nvidia, the AMD, or any of them. So that's it on how to check your PC graphics. If you like this video, click on the like button, then subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. See you in the next video.